So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and fix your Microsoft Edge browser if it's not loading any websites. Now, you can do this in a couple of different ways. Number one, the main way and the first thing to go and I would recommend doing is to make sure that within Microsoft Edge, you are basically going through and you're able to be connected to some sort of Wi-Fi or internet connection. So what I'd recommend doing is going inside of your system settings, going in Wi-Fi or going in cellular, and just make sure you're connected to some sort of cell connection or some sort of Wi-Fi connection. That is basically one of the easiest things to do here, because that would probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. So to go through, just try seeing if that'll end up fixing the problem. Now, if that doesn't do it, you can also try seeing if there's an update available for Microsoft Edge. Sometimes your internet could be working, but it's just not loading websites. So try seeing if there's an update available. Sometimes there might be. That can also end up fixing the problem for you as well. If that's not working, you can also try restarting your device. So go through, hold down the volume up button and the power button, slide power off, let that thing just power off completely, give it a few minutes, turn it back on. Sometimes that might end up fixing the problem too. But if that's still not doing it, you might have to just try going through and trying to see if you can potentially connect it to some other device, connect a different Wi-Fi connection, try using a different internet browser. Those are pretty much the main things to do here. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.